Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about Careface CVP.
Yeah, what me say? Up there, up there, up there. With your help, up there, we will be going. So we're here with Aaliyahh Love. Big up Aaliyahh Love in the place.
Okay, so my name is Aaliyahh Love.
Alright.
With 2 H's, dot love. You can find me on Instagram at Aaliyahh Love. It's spelled like Aaliyah the singer with 2 H's, dot love. And I have a YouTube channel. I post like day in the lives, vlogs, etc. You can check me out on my YouTube channel also. And I'm a spoken word poet and artist. I also dance and sing sometimes. And I am from Jamaica. A little piece of a poem that I did today. It's called Sweet Jamaica.
And where can we find that one?
On my Instagram and my YouTube channel actually.
Alright.
So on my Instagram and my YouTube channel.
Repeat the YouTube channel again.
So the YouTube channel is AALIYAHH Love, spelled normal.
Alright, so to
That's
get
also the Instagram.
Alright, so to get the poem that she is gonna give you a little piece, a sample of, go there and check it out, alright? Here we go. Aaliyahh Love.
You wanna know what I see? I see cramps. Babies dying, mothers crying, my people are fighting. I see state of emergencies, no plan B's, unheard testimonies. I see spent shells, sugar being head, guns to her head. I see pills being popped, lines getting chopped, roads being blocked. Nah, I see Donnelly's, Jasmine screams, Daddy screams. I see minimum wage, just them not pay, man them stars straight. I see a sad rod, what they call it about that. I see no changes. It's been ages. Earn exchanges.
Big up Aaliyahh Love in the place. Honor and respect.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about us. Careface CVP.